promise it won't be a long class tonight. So you'll never finish an assignment. All right.
Sorry,
Now,
so vexed.
the Mevex, of course. All right, let's go. Now, this is what you were given in the
Yes,
assignment.
right.
All right. I think,
Writing you go pan.
yes, Kashif, you did a
Yes,
very
I'm
sir.
well.
stuck. I'm stuck there. I'm so
Yeah,
stuck
man.
there.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
Reagan?
I understand them something, man.
Well, you have tried, so, and I appreciate that.
Thing me understand is like how this move from a high concentration to a lower concentration and thing there.
Yeah.
But when I really know the process and thing, so you have to speak
No.
me through.
All right, but the picture tell you went ahead and make a mistake and go copy and paste. I never tell
Now,
you to
most
Google.
man.
I know. I never tell you to Google anything. You must use to use the picture. All right. So let's look at the picture now. Ready?
Yeah.
Now the green circles represents what?
So salute.
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 Yes.
And
Salute.
the small blue circles represent what?
It's gray. Water.
Water. Now this dotted line represents what?
The
Without already.
partially permeable membrane.
Is she correct,
Asa?
Reagan?
Yes, sir.
No. Ada?
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Okay.
Semi-permeable membrane. Very good. Now you see the reason why I did the assignment before? Gonna sound like bright students in the class.
Sir, a semi-permeable membrane, I think right on the paper. Because me not gonna tell no lie. Me have to look up some of them questions in the diffusion and osmosis
Yeah, but
part on
if you use a
Google.
picture, all right, let me explain something to you, all right? I am,
Yes, sir.
now listen now, I am preparing you guys to pass the exam. But if you don't follow my instructions, you will have a difficulty. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you go into something, just do what I'm telling you to do, all right?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
I can know when I use it, when I use other sources, I know. All
Yeah,
right?
prophet.
No, but you can when somebody copy. All right. And here's me a teacher again. So let
Sir,
me,
I kind of mix my one words with it, you know. I just
yes,
that I just need a little push.
yes,
So
ma'am.
it
All right,
see if
no
me
problem.
say the right things. If we know so the right things that we do, because no man I like a worksheet here.
All
Cause
right,
look at the
all right.
34, sir, 6 out of 16. I think they gotta take me on, you know.
Oh,
I never realized that only because the first part going.
okay, okay. All
So,
right.
sir, I would look on the first part of the HSB.
Did okay. Did okay. Did all right.
We did bad.
No, man, did all right, man.
Why you that's a great?
Well,
If I
did
don't agree, mommy, I want it, you know.
okay. Well, did okay, man. Did okay. All
What's
right.
I tell we knock out on a low gauge, you go do it back over.
All right, Regan. So you open the paper, you will see it. But remember, saying I grade it now. Now we do the other one and submit it, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now on the other worksheet, now we recognize that the arrow. Hold on. Sorry. Yeah, the arrow that was pointing in this direction. When you tell me, say the arrow meant, both of them made the same mistake and think that the arrow was referring to the semi-permeable membrane, but no, it wasn't. Because remember, so there was an arrow. If you remember the worksheet itself, there was an arrow pointing directly on the semi-permeable membrane from the top. So both arrows could not be doing the same thing. Now, however, now this arrow now, what do you think that this arrow is indicating? Regan.
Movement of water.
No, man.
Sir?
Yeah, Regan.
Water.
Regan, no answer. We don't want. Are you? Go ahead, Regan.
The arrow upon brown particle to go over.
Exactly. Can you see? Remember, so arrow is telling you about what direction, don't it?
But yes, sir. Sometimes
Good.
arrow not straight.
Yeah. So to tell us the water move from. I'm like how you put the answer, Regan. You said
Yes, sir.
the left side had more water molecules than the right side, which is very good.
Yes, sir.
That means yeah, use a picture, right? No,
Yes,
but
sir. But I read it up.
no,
I use my brain.
you use a picture, but you need to take your time and use a picture, right? Watch this now. So what this picture is telling us now is that water is moving from an area of high concentration to an area of what? Low concentration. So that is osmosis, right? Now the word salute. What do you think a solute is?
Like,
Solution?
no, not solution.
No, not solution.
Why? Um, like the particle you're gonna do for dissolving the water?
Exactly. The thing that is dissolved. Like for example, sugar and water. Sugar is a solute and water is a solvent, right? The thing that does that does the dissolving. Make sense? All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
here's another picture now down here. It's saying the same thing, but just a different picture. The water before the water is plenty on this side, and it moves now and even out into the container. The water now evens out, right?
Yes, sir.
Now over this side now is diffusion. Ray gun. I want you to
Sir,
I want you to look at the picture right here and describe what's happening. This top part here. Tell me what's happening.
and diffusion.
Yeah, describe and tell me what you see with your two eyes.
We call them particles there now.
Well, you can't say red circles.
I'm like the red circles them are the first picture, sir.
Yeah.
Like it like stick on together like in a high concentration place like that one can say.
Yeah, good.
And the one other picture like it moves to a lower concentration so they have a spread out.
Spread out. Very good. That's the key word, spread. Because that's what the word diffuse means, spread. It's why I want to use the pictures. Because when you have the pictures, you can use your own words. You see it now?
Yes, sir.
So instead use the word diffuse and use the word what? Spread out, which is correct. Right? Because you can see over this side of the beaker. The person pour little ink, the dye. And you see the high concentration of dye right here. And what
Yes,
eventually
sir.
start to spread until
To a lower concentration to the last one.
the last one. It's not really that, it just spread into the liquid itself. And then the liquid start to take the color. So it even itself out, right? Make sense?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The diffusion now moves is particles moving from an area of high concentration to a area of what? Low
Low
concentration.
concentration.
Good, very good. Now, I think that you did a very good job at this, Kashif. And Reagan, if you just use the diagram itself and did not use the research, you'd have got it 100% correct.
Yeah.
Because if you look at it, what is common between this?
But sir, me just reading, sir. I make up my own word out there.
Oh, you were trying, fine. But if you just look at the diagram, all right, look at this now. This part of the diagram is showing an intersection between diffusion and osmosis, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, this part of the diagram, whatever is in the middle, is saying what is common to both of them. But what is on the outside right here and on the outside right here is what is different. So if you had written what is said right here and what is said right here, they'd have answered this question, distinguish between osmosis and diffusion. Make sense now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's move on. No, you didn't get this in your assignment, so we're going to be looking at this one. Now, I want you guys to take a minute and just look at it, and then you're going to tell me what you understand from it. Just take your time and look at it. Read and look at it. Give me 1 second, please.
Alright. Effect of osmosis on cells.
All right, you guys have done that? Now, take a wild guess. What kind of cell is that cell? Well, it tells you. You have a guess. Can it tell you? What kind of
Blood
cell?
cell.
Blood cell. Red blood cell, right?
Yes, sir. Red blood cell.
Red blood cell. Good, very good, Regan. Now, talking about the effects of osmosis on cells. Now it says in osmosis, water diffuses through a selectively permeable what?
Membrane.
Membrane. Good.
Water molecule cell membrane.
So what they are saying now, this is a normal red blood cell, right? Now watch me now, you know.
Yes, sir.
Now the outer end of the outside area of the red blood cell is called a what? Cell membrane. Now please note that red blood cells do not have nucleuses. You will learn that when you go into the circulatory system lesson. But just saying to you now that red blood cells do not have what?
Nucleus.
Nucleuses, but it has a cell membrane. Now, surrounding, remember, so when you drink water, right? When you drink water, you will, it goes into your blood. So evidently, you're going to have what? Water molecules surrounding your red blood cell. True?
Yes, sir.
Now, set figure A is saying to us that the concentration of water inside the cell is the same as what? Outside.
Outside.
Now, if it is that, let me draw something now. I'll ask you a question, right? Now, here we're going to draw a little, hold on, man. A little seesaw, like the seesaw. All right, here's a little seesaw right here. All right. Now we're going to draw a little thing. Now, if the seesaw is like this, we'll draw another one. Now, which of these seesaws will which of these seesaw will create movement? One on the blue or the one on the red?
Red.
Very good.
Red, me say too.
Good. And the one on the blue will do what?
Third that can move quite upon a flat surface.
Good. Huh?
Move a slide with you.
All right. Now, you see this? You see this one?
Yeah.
All right. Question. Which of these two seesaw represents the condition in set in figure A?
I'm gonna say the blue, cause like water concentration inside, water concentration outside.
And they are the same. They are the same.
Yes, sir.
You're correct. Very good. My youth, but just want you to just observe more time. You know them youth that will just hold up, just stay up on the corner and just observe. You know much them learn and them observe. That means why if you
Of
continue
course.
this. Good. So it's when you observe and observe more, you will learn more. I get the man try to say? I just observe.
Like I'm love by you for a long time.
Okay. All right. So when the concentration of water is the same on the outside, then what will happen is that you will not have any form of osmosis taking place. Make sense?
Yes,
Because
sir. No form of movement.
no form of movement. Very good. But let's look at B now. Read what B says right here.
Water move out of the cell during osmosis.
Why? Why?
Because you have a lower concentration outside the cell.
Ah, jeez and peas. If I had $1 million, I'm gonna give you. Very good. I'll do $1 million. Sorry, sir. But job.
Mr. We take it, you know?
All right, boss. So you did a very good job because of a lower concentration on the outside. Very good. It's there in front of you, but I know you thought of it before you saw it, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
All right. So movement will take place. Once the concentration is low, either way, movement will what? Take place. Make sense?
Please.
Good. Please note that
Yes, sir.
please note that the water is the staff of life, right? So the cells
Yes, sir.
need always will need water. So if you should look at the cell in B and the cell in C, what you observe?
Look at the one in B and C.
Yeah, what you observe?
It's like you have a high concentration outside, so the water now move out to move in.
Okay, but what you notice? What look at them. Apart from that, apart from the condition of the water, look at the cells itself. How they look? Compare the both.
One
Oh,
look like a circle and one look like a crab. Is a crab him look like?
more like a shell.
Or a shell? It look like something. It
So
look funny.
look funny. So if it look funny, what do you think? You think it's healthy?
No,
Think you
sir.
what?
Healthy?
No, sir.
No, exactly. So the effects that osmosis have on cells. Osmosis will make cells looking healthier. Once if the cell needs water, then osmosis will allow water to get into the cells. Make sense? You follow
Yes,
now?
sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
All right. You understand that, right? You understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Good. So if your body feel thirsty, make sure you go and drink some water. Because if you don't go and drink some water, you know what got to you? The cells then become denatured, meaning they're going to die.
A
And
kidney
you,
problem, all sorts of disease, kind of give flush of blood and all kind of stuff.
all right, there you go. So
I know about the one because my granny dead when he said something.
oh, I'm sorry to hear about that. All right. So what you guys need to do, though, in order to have the knowledge, when you get the knowledge of human and social biology, you must use it to save your life and the lives of others. Okay. All right. Good. So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
all right. So good that you understand. You realize you could actually read pictures and make interpretations, right? All right. Now let us look at this picture over here. It's saying the same story. You tell me what you think. Messages.
Sir?
Yeah, go ahead. Read it and tell me what you think.
No, I'm just have to repeat. I'm not really hear.
No, I am
Like,
saying, okay, I am saying that the message over here is the same as the message over here. If the cells don't have enough water, they are going to become flaccid or they are become denatured, unhealthy. Is that clear?
yeah.
So you recognize that when even
They said become denatured.
yeah, denatured means to die. They're losing the life. Remember, say nature is life, and the prefix D means, turn away from, like detour. You understand? So they no longer have that life. They are dying. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, let's move on from here. Say they ask, explain the importance